Hey guys, I am going to be doing a tutorial video for you today. I don't think that I've done a tutorial video in this filming setup yet. I don't know, I don't remember, but I'm going to be doing this look. It's mainly this palette, the ColourPop Winx Club. Forgive me if I'm saying that incorrectly. Mainly focusing on these warmer shades on this half. And I don't know how I'm going to edit this yet. We'll see. I want to kind of incorporate a little bit of talking and a little bit of just music overlay on top of the video, and we'll see how it goes. So anyway, keep watching and enjoy. I missed, my camera stopped for some reason, so I'm not sure where I left off. I just put, I put some of this yellow shade on the inner corner here, and then this green on the lower inner lash line. Those two are so similar to each other on the skin, it's kind of hard to tell them apart. Okay. I got some mess behind me here. Oh my god. Freaking hell, man. Okay, and then I'm going to use this shade, but I'm going to use it on a wet brush because I've already tried using this shade and it's kind of dry. It doesn't adhere super well, especially over the mattes. So I'm just picking up some on the brush and then spraying the brush. Ugh. I just got this eyeliner and I really don't like it. This is the ColourPop Graphix ink liner in Santorini. It's the white one. The other ones are okay, but this one is really, really sheer and just doesn't show up well.